the Kingfisher right here in Garden City, South Carolina.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beaching with the Boons, and today we're down here in beautiful Garden City, South Carolina at this beautiful historical, the Kingfisher Inn. Now, the Kingfisher was built in 1973 as an inn, and in 1983
it was converted to condos
for private owners. So if you're like us, this was like a landmark that everyone had to come see.
And the reason that we are focusing on this today, we were heading down to the pier right here, the Garden City Pier, but we found out that they had found some structural issues, right?
On Thursday, on March 28th, they found some structural issues which made them close the Kingfisher Inn until April the 11th.
While they
assess the damage.
That's right. Now, I'm gonna see on the doors, you see the yellow tags on the doors?
So every personal private owner of the condos has been notified to let them know what's going on, and no one can come in until April the 11th whenever they make sure that the building is safe to occupy again.
All right, and if you notice, they've got the barricades and the tape around where you can't go in. Of course, right on this side was where the ice cream shop was. Remember that?
That's right. Sharky's, I believe. Or what was the name of that ice cream shop?
I can't remember.
Man, it sure does look weird seeing it empty. I'm always used to seeing a packed parking lot and just people going up and down the elevators and hanging out on the balconies.
That's right. Well, on the way to the pier, we decided to
do a pit stop.
Right here at Sam's.
That's right. So it's 50 degrees outside and freezing. So you see I got on the little sweatshirt dress, and I actually have on tennis shoes and socks.
Oh my goodness.
Which you don't see very often from me.
So we're right across from the pier. See if I can zoom in. And that's Sam's Corner. That's where we are. Oh, I see you on the inside there.
Yeah. So a lot of you ask what the temperature is of the sea, and actually it is warmer in the sea than it is out here. It's 61 degrees. So let's go swimming.
So it's 51 now and 61 in the ocean. So we're going to jump in the ocean to get warm.
That's right. So we changed our mind and we decided to go with a fried bologna sandwich and french fries and a white Russian, because they're supposed to have some of the best white Russians on the Strand, and he's probably down there making one now.
Wow, look at that. Screwdriver and one of the best white Russians on the Grand Strand. Now this is a fried bologna sandwich. Look at that.
Good gracious. Does it have mayonnaise on it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get an extra
Yeah,
plate.
and I'm going to have to get some forks and knives. Now look at that.
Say,
Look how thick that is.
look, for hand-wise. All right. Now here we go. Let's see if I can cook.
What? Good gracious.
Oh my.
Huh.
All right.
I don't think she's got a mouth big enough for that.
Yes,
Spring break. So here's the side of it, right beside the pier. Kingfisher Inn.
And it's warming up a bit. And the reason why we stopped at Sam's Corner is because I was freezing and told Beatbox I am not going to walk over there.
That is correct.
Yes, not right now at least.
That is correct.
Okay.
This is hopefully, they said, the last cold snap of the season. And spring and summer will be coming on in.
That's right. And we're ready for it.
So look, the pool looks beautiful on that side.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, you have sunbathers out there. And it is spring break. As you can see, those cool children. Wish we were like cool kids back then. But they are, it's spring break 2024, just like the kids said at Sam's Corner. And those kids were from Darlington, South Carolina.
And that's the two ladies that were in the Sam's Corner with us earlier.
Oh,
So,
yes, it is.
here's a look at the pier. We will not walk on the pier today, right?
Yeah, it's a bit chilly.
It's too chilly, so, but there's still people, look at that, coming out to the beach. They're struggling.
And let me see, I'm gonna refresh my phone and tell y'all the temperature, if it's warmed up any. Nope, we're still holding it sunny and 50 degrees with that water temp at 61.
All right, that was a quick walk around and look at the Kingfisher. We're hoping it'll get back up, you said, by the 11th, so people can come back here and enjoy the beach and have fun.
You know they're working on it as fast as they can to get you back in there so that you can enjoy it and we can see y'all down here at the Kingfisher Inn this summer.
That's right. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching right here in Garden City.
Or looking out on that balcony at the Kingfisher Inn.
That's right.
See you in the next video.
As always, keep beaching.
Run! It feels like 50, 30 degrees. And
right?
you know they're working as degenerately.
Deliberately.
No, not really. And you know
They're working diligently.
They're working diligently. I can't even talk. I think it's blaming on the alcohol.
It's the White Russian.